In this video, you're going to learn how to factory reset your Mac computer. What's up guys, I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. I create video lessons and tutorials to help you learn how to use technology to improve your lifestyle. I've got tutorials, how-tos, product reviews, all sorts of videos. So if you like what you see in this video, please consider subscribing. All right, let's jump in right to the video. If you want to reset your Mac computer, maybe it's that you want to sell it or it's like kind of bogged down and you just want a fresh, clean start. There is a way to do that. Now, I am going to recommend that you do back up all of your sensitive data before you do this. So transfer all of your files to an external hard drive, or you could save them to your Google Drive or iCloud Drive, whatever type of online storage service you're using. Another thing that you're going to want to do is sign out of all of your applications. So if you're signed into like an Adobe subscription or some sort of other subscription software on your computer, make sure you sign out of all of those. The last thing you're going to want to do is sign out of your iCloud account. So if you're logged into iCloud, make sure you just go into your system preferences, turn off Find My Mac and sign out of that. Then once you have all your important stuff backed up and you're ready for a new start, this is how to factory reset your Mac. In the top menu bar on your screen, click the Apple menu and then click Restart. As your Mac is restarting, hold down the Command and R keys until the Mac OS Utilities window appears. Select Disk Utility, then click Continue. Select your local startup disk on the left, then click Erase. Click the Format pop-up menu and choose Mac OS Extended, enter a name, and then click Erase. Please remember that erasing the disk removes everything from the disk. So like I said, make sure that you've backed up all of your important information. After the disk is erased, choose Disk Utility, and then quit Disk Utility. Select Reinstall Mac OS, click Continue, and then follow the on-screen instructions. If you are going to sell this Mac or give it to someone else, before you click Reinstall Mac OS, just feel free to shut down the computer, and the next person that turns it on will be able to install Mac OS from the beginning. All right, guys, that's it. That's how to factory reset your Mac and start over from scratch. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.